And now I'd like to create the follower. So I'll do another create part in place. I'll call this follower. And I'll go to the line command on this front face here, look at the front view, and I'll draw a follower, make this 130. And I'll come up here to offset on the pull down, symmetric offset, and the default width I'm going to go with is 15, and I'll just make sure this is on arc, so they're the two defaults. Identify the line, green check mark, and maybe I'll add a circle on the top here. Let's make that 10 also. Go back and extrude. There's a region. Grab the arrow. Let's extrude that 8. And we'll close and return. Now I'd like to go to the tangent constraint, and I'll make this bottom face right here tangent to this cylinder. And now I'm going to constrain this in the hole. And so I'll go to the mate command and mate this face with this face, and then mate this front face with this front face. And now I'd like to copy this follower, identify the follower, and now I'm going to hit Control C, Control V. Wherever my cursor is, it creates another part. So in this one, I would like to axial align that cylinder with this cylinder. I'll fit the view. I'm just going to hit select, go back out here to tangent, and I would like this flat face to be tangent with this cylinder also. Now this doesn't seem to be right. I asked this top face here to be tangent with this cylinder. Well, actually it is. If you run a line straight down here, you see it is tangent, but it's not in the right position. So what I need to do in that case is just hit undo. Let's fit the view. I need to get this closer to where it needs to go. So I'm just going to go and drag component, grab this around this axis, and spin it around to basically where I want it. And that's generally in the right position now. So now I can go back to tangent. So I'd like this face tangent to this cylinder. Let's do a planar line with this face and this face. Now go back to view. I'd like to change the color here to white clear. And I only want this one, so I'm going to say not all occurrences, just the selected one. Let's finish up by creating the pin that goes through here. We'll go to create in place. OK, green check mark, and call this pin. Go to my circle, 10, extrude that pin, extrude 30, close and return. Let's drop this pin in cylinder right there, and go to view, change the color of that pin to red. Let's add a motor.